So I'm going to do this problem. This is the first problem on the chapter 7 work. And I hope when you watched all those general videos about significance testing, otherwise this is probably going to be pretty confusing. So they're telling us the center of the sampling distribution is 0.68. So because that's the center, we're going to build our standard deviation based on that center. So to get the standard error or the standard deviation of all these sample proportions, and I know this is about a proportion because I'm not told any mean or standard deviation, I'm going to take my 0.68 times 1 minus 0.68, which is 0.32, I believe, divided by the sample size of 134 people, and then I'm going to take the square root. And on my calculator, I'm going to do 0.60, let's see, let's clear. 0.68 times 0.32 divided by 134, and it just follows order operations, thank goodness. And they're going to take the square root of that. So that's my standard deviation. I'm going to write that down so I don't lose that. I am going to let the calculator carry more decimal places than I'm going to write down, though. And usually that's the secret about sampling distributions for proportions. You're better off letting the calculator carry, not rounding too soon. We don't pay too close of attention to significant digits here, thank goodness. And then to calculate the z-score, so what I'm going to do, I got to get p hat. So the sample proportion is p hat. And for this problem, we had 98 successes out of the sample size of 134. So one thing that's nice about the graphing calculator, many calculators will do this too. I mean, I could do p hat separately, so 98 divided by 134. So I'm trying to decide how likely is it to get a sample of 134 successes, 134 with 98 successes, or better. So we're looking for this area here. That's where we're going to go with this. We don't need to do that for this problem. So what's p hat? 0.731. So to get the z-score, the test statistic, I'm going to do that p hat number minus our hypothesized center over the standard deviation for this hypothesized center. I'll write that. Now, as you see, I'm not going to do too much of my calculator on this. So I'm going to subtract, I'm going to subtract that p hat number. I'm going to subtract 0.68 from the p hat number. Now, if I had a newer model calculator, I could hit the up arrow. I don't have that, so why did I just clear it? Nice thing about second enter, that's p hat minus the center. And then I'm going to divide that by, well, I guess I'll just do this out the long way. 0.68 times 0.32 divided by 134. See, what I'm having the calculator do is calculate that standard deviation in place. So 1.27, and notice that's what my open math said the answer was. So that's the z-score that cuts off whatever that probability is. Okay, so hope that helps you solve this question.